Now, moving on to number one, the biggest one of all, medical debt. Now, let's put it up on the screen right here. In January of 2025, the CFPB finalized a rule to remove medical bills from credit reports, and that came tumbling down. The Trump administration, along with other entities that were going to lose billions of dollars, filed a lawsuit and beat the case, and the CFPB stood behind them to make sure that medical debt could not be removed from credit reports. Now, everyone's going to say, oh, well, we already knew this. Yes, I know you already knew this, but there's been a major change that a lot of people are not paying attention to. Let's put the article up on the screen right here so everyone can see it. The Trump administration seeks to return medical debt to credit reports. You heard that right. Seeks to return it to credit reports. So if it was removed previously, we have a problem. They want to put it back on your credit reports. Let's not leave out the bottom part. A federal rule restricting the debt's inclusion has been canceled. Now, the Consumer Bureau is trying to overturn state restrictions. Now, this is a huge deal because a lot of people will say, well, thank God I live in a state that's actually protecting me. This is where it all took a turn for the worse. Now, there are 14 states that actually protect consumers. So what that means is the state is stepping in to say, no, you can't actually report that on the credit reports of the residents of our states. Now, what are those states? So the states that we could find, if I'm wrong and I'm missing your state, please let me know. Washington State, Oregon, California, Colorado, Minnesota, Illinois, Virginia, Maryland, Delaware, New Jersey, New York, Connecticut, Vermont, and Maine. All of those states were prohibiting medical debt from being on your credit reports if you were a resident there. Now, the Trump administration is stopping that. Make sure to click on the related video button down there, and I'm gonna give you a full breakdown on exactly what I'm talking about.